So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Motors share. So we know that today the stock has performed very well and it has crossed the 330 rupees level. So previously when we have discussed about Tata Motors, so clearly I told you this particular level is going to be very important region. So once it crosses and if it gives closing, I told you that it will continue that particular bullish rally. So we know that today Q4 result of Tata Motors will also be declared. So after it declares, immediately I'll put in the Telegram group itself. So if you have not joined the Telegram, do join it, and if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so do subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so coming to today's Tata Motors movement, so you can see it has given very good movement. Almost you can see it has sustained. Basically, touching the levels is important and closing is another level, another scenario. But today it has given closing and also with good volume, the stock has given the movement. And if you see what are the various updates which are running, as I told, Q4 of Tata Motors is going to be declared today, and you can see various updates have also come that they are expecting a double-digit growth in Q4 net profit because of the recovery of JLR and low base. Okay, so these are the various things which were running around in the market today. So that's why that much amount of positive rally was seen in the stock. So quickly, let's see how the deliveries have been taken today, and then we'll switch over to the technical charts. Okay, so coming to today's traded quantity versus deliverables. So you can see 7 crore shares have been traded, and you can see deliverables wise we can see 1 crore shares have been taken into deliveries, and percentage you can see 16.19 is the delivery percentage. So that is decent. So we know that in Tata Motors basically we don't see heavy deliveries. So it basically has little traded quantity and decent deliverables, not that great. So basically 24 and 25 is moderate deliveries for any stock. So in that particular range only it fluctuates. And coming to day wise, you can see on an average we used to see 13 to 14% deliveries in Tata Motors. So last 3 trading sessions also you can see the stock has showed some very good movement, continuous momentum. Basically if you go 5-6 days back, even though it has showed some consolidation in between, but later it has given almost 4.55% movement also. Okay, so that is very important. So after the correction that it has faced, whether it may be a few weeks back, so it has basically started retaining, especially when Q4 results were being declared by each and every company, especially related to auto sector. So Tata Motors was already expecting some very good net profits. So on that particular note, the stock is continuously showing the momentum. So now let's go to technical charts. We'll see what are the possible resistances and targets that can be seen in coming sessions. Okay, so we're back onto technical charts, and you can see this is the 1 week chart. So try to analyze on a larger time frame, and then you can go to simplified chart, that is 1 day. So in 1 week chart, clearly you can see this was the pivot support where the stock was taking the support since many weeks. You can see basically in this particular period of time it was taking the support near the 288 rupees region. So that is the region where even I have suggested you people to buy it, and many people have taken it. It is well and good. So after that it has continuously showed the momentum, so last 2 weeks, and now comes the most important resistive region. So it is approaching that. This is going to be very crucial. So what is that level? So clearly you can see that is 350 rupees level. So once it sustains that 350 rupees level, after that it will start its new journey towards 375. So that is very important, 350 rupees, because already it has retraced once, right? So now will it give breakout from that? Definitely it's worth watching. So once the Q4 update also comes, so that volume will be generated, and if it sustains at 350, then ultimately we have next resistance near the 375 rupees level. So after that, if we see money flow index, you can see that is near 49. So that is completely in mid range. So nothing to worry about that. Already it has corrected from overbought region. So now that is also stable. So once the Q4 update comes, once tomorrow, if we see some good volume, again the stock may start rallying. Okay, so coming towards one day chart, so in that you can see a very good rally was seen in the stock. In between, you can see a big red candle has been formed, so that time market has also showed correction. So that is completely negligible. After that, it has whatever red candle it has formed, it has completely retained in today and yesterday's movement. So as I told, next important resistance near 344 as well as 350. So these particular levels are going to be very important. So do watch it. So if you're doing any sort of swing or positional, make sure you're watching that 344 rupees level very crucially. And as usual, I told support is 319 and 320. So in that particular region, you need to take the support if you want to do any sort of fresh investment. So earlier also I told the same level, again it has taken support there, again it has given the up move. Okay, so do watch levels carefully. Without watching levels, don't try to invest, because you will also not have that much confidence, like whether to exit, whether to add at that particular level. So don't do such sort of confusion. So whenever we are discussing levels, so focus on them, definitely you will get some good profit. Okay, so in money flow index, you can see that is near 72. It's completely flat, and it is also pointing towards overbought region, so that it implies that further momentum also may be seen in the stock. Okay, so focus on levels, resistances. I told you next important is 344 followed by 350, and support is 319 and 320. In that particular range, you can take the support. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.